Well, hello there, everybody in YouTube land. Welcome to another episode of this Mallard by Fleetwood camper remodification, renovation, and overall money pit. Still got blown out tire. This tire is going to be the last thing we change. Got to check the dates on them. That one was just sitting out here and blew up. So got a date that they're made and they have expiration on. So let's go and see what all has been accomplished in this here camper. I give up on episodes after 19, 20. It's hard to keep up. Got my little trash pile. I'm doing all the electrical myself. That transformer or something to do with a transformer that converts 110, 120 AC to 12 volt DC. Something's wrong with it. The guy that we bought the camper from was supposed to be giving us some parts, and that's one part that I need. I need a part probably for the AC up there, and he said that he's going to give us the shower of another camper that's been crashed. So waiting on that. All right, let's see what to work. Tried to get the guys to let me video them. They don't want to, so we just get to show you bits and pieces. And when I do electrical work, it's too hard to set up a little tripod to video myself, and the camera lady's not here. But when the camera lady gets here, it's almost ready to start doing the interior design and paint and all that stuff. So camera lady, she's gonna be in on some videos. All right. And I just noticed something. This light bulb here, it's got 1157 in it. That's a dual element, and these take a 1056 bulb. So it might be why this one's not working in the bedroom. I had found other bulbs like that, like one of them in there. I don't have the power. I can't find the power going to that one up there. It's dead. So I gotta figure out what feeds it. If I have to, I may. That's the power source in there. I might have to fish my way through to that switch over there somehow and try to feed 12 volt up to that light, but I don't have any voltage up there. All right, ramble on as I always do. Electrical work. I fixed the outside. Didn't have power going to those sockets, and this socket was it was wired together to give power to the microwave in there. That's one 110, 120 DC. I mean AC. But out here, I had an outside receptacle. At one time, it caught on fire. All right, I don't need an outside receptacle, so I took a cover plate, a blank, put on there, wired wires together, wire nutted wires together, and so we have power to the kitchen and to the kitchen. I reckon you eat the kitchen too. Alright, so we're moving on to give the progress report. We got our AC lights working in here. We got a light bulb up under there. That's DC power. So I got the battery out there. I got the battery in charging. So we'll hook the battery up, and then we'll hook the AC up. It's supposed to be charging the battery and running the DC lights off of it. But anyway, it's not working out quite like that as of now. So boom, dang, we'll figure it out. All right, and to the kitchen. The kitchen. Look at the kitchen. Great job, guys. Y'all done a great job. I got the ceiling up. The walls are up. The walls are finished. Just got to put in some trim, mid pieces, corner pieces, and all that. Put in that chair molding. Let's see what the heck that is. It's a stain. That's a stain. I wonder if I got a little bit of a drip out there. Could be. Could be. It could have a little leak. I need to check that out. Might need to reseal it. So anyway, we'll figure that one out. Water heater's in. Just hook back up. Water tank, pump, all that's wired in. I forgot the order, but all the stuff for the shower, shower head and the pipes and all that wasn't here. But I found out that's where it bolts to, so I could get all that stuff for about $40. Can't find the shower, the tub, so I'm gonna have to try to rebuild that one. Somebody cracked it and did a jerry-rigging job on the bottom of it, or fiberglass. I may can fix it, don't know yet. Still trying to find one. If I can find one, I'll put it in. Or have it put in. So, let's recap. Working on the kitchen. Stove's all cleaned up. This is the counter. It didn't have, the cabinet, the front for cabinet, stove and all that goes across through there. I got to try to find the crap to put it together with. So we're going to get it put together and put frames across. This is one of the supports for the back of the drawer. That right there. So we'll get it figured out. Probably have to run a piece across through there. I run one across the bottom and one across the side. I put a couple of pieces across like that. And I think I had the rest of the box for the for the stove to sit on. And then once I do that, I'm gonna put the coupler in and put the drain for the sink in and have it in ready to go. And then the last thing we're going to do is put the countertop on and sink. I'm going to try to get the rails, find some drawers and get the rails put in. They make it easier to put in or reach. So I'm going to end this video. Yeah, she's coming along. There, I put that piece in right there. I think that it's got a seam up there. That's got to be cut through there, or a short piece, or there's some scraps big enough to put it possibly right. Yeah, no, I'm looking at the wrong place. Probably just tie it in from here over there, or cut it up through here and put this whole piece across. But yeah, progress taking a little bit. Still got a drip through the air unit up there. I might have to have it sealed. Take it loose, pick it up, put a new reseal around the bottom of it. I don't think that there's much wrong with AC. It needs severe cleaning. There's so much nicotine in there. I've cleaned it a lot, but it needs more cleaning. I got to clean the air vents out, the ducts out. But anyway, those wires go up to the unit. I think the red goes to the fan, the purple goes to the either one of the two. So one of them goes to the capacitor for the fan, the other one goes to the capacitor for the compressor. Compressor's not has any power on it. We have power. It must transform it up to I think the purple's 160, the other one's 120. So I think it's got a step-up transformer in there. It sends more voltage up for the compressor, but something may be wrong with the capacitor up there. So I'm gonna tinker around. I'm gonna put that light in. I got another fixture and try to find the rest of the parts for that. So that's about it for this one. So peace out, YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe.